Here I've got MEDIATEK KT107, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this tablet. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then find and select settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice about tablet. Smoothly click on it to open, and now go a bit lower where you will notice build number. Now just tap on it 7 times, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back. And as you can see, developer options appeared right here. So you've just unlocked developer mode. Now click to open, and here you can use all the features, all the options that are located here. All you need to do is to tap on the switcher to activate some particular option. As you can see, it has been already turned on, and then to switch it off, just use the same icon. To quit developer panel, to log it again, just unmark this switcher and it will disappear from settings list. Actually, it's still here. Okay, so it's just not active. So this is how it works in this tablet. So it will still be visible under settings. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.